This tutorial is going to show you how to export your credits for your final slide in your documentary. Go ahead and start by opening up your Noodle Tools project and opening the project that contains your citations. From the dashboard, under Components on your screen you should see Works Cited, and just remember we're changing that because we're not actually citing work like we would do in a research paper, but we are using other people's images, and for the voiceover you'll have research, so you want to make sure to add all of that in. So click on Works Cited, look at your list, make sure all images, music, research, interviews, make sure that that is all included in your final list. Another thing that you guys need to look for is if you see a lot of NDs or NPs, that means that you're missing dates and publishers, and that's really not a good thing to have. You want to make sure that you have all the information you possibly can get. Remember that Easy Who is a place that will help you locate that information. But really, if you have a lot of that kind of stuff, that's a big red flag. So you want to go to Print and Export. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our formatting options. So click on that. We need to change our list title from Works Cited to Credits because that is what our last slide is going to be. So you can see that these this has a lot of different titles that you can choose from. None of them have credits because it's kind of unique, but we're going to create our own custom header and we're going to type in credits, and we're going to set that title so that when we export, that's what our list is going to say, credits. We also want to exclude any of our URLs. During the research process, they're helpful because they let you go back to your documents, but when you're finished, we don't really need them in our final product. So we are going to omit URLs from the exported Works Cited. Well, in this case, it's going to be credits. So now we've made those changes. We want to export to Google Docs. And the reason that I had you guys add Awesome Screenshot as an extension is for this purpose. So you can easily get your last slide in your documentary. So from this page, you'll notice it says Credits. If you click on the Awesome Screenshot app, you can go ahead and capture the selected area. So I'm going to make sure and capture my credits. If you have more, if you have like maybe 1 or 2 pages, just split them up and make a good split for them, but you might need more than just one slide, unless you can get them all in, but it's going to be up to you. I'm going to click on Capture, and then I've taken to this Awesome Screenshot screen. I don't need to make any changes here. If you guys feel like you do, you can go ahead and do that, but I'm going to click on Done, and then you have the ability to save Awesome Screenshot images to your Google Drive. So once you save it on your Google Drive, it is now available in there, and you can share it with your group members, or you have that so you can place that on your timeline in WeVideo or whatever any movie making device you're going to use for your documentary. You have that available for you guys. So that's how you will use Awesome Screenshot, and that's how to make the changes for your documentary.